Could this piece of plastic replace traditional concrete footings? Let's go find out. When building a deck traditionally, a builder will dig the footing and then pour the concrete for their foundation. On a low profile deck, you could use concrete blocks and place them directly on the surface. Now we have designed and developed a product to make deck installs quick and easy. It's called TuffBlock. It's an instant foundation system made right here in Australia from 100% recycled materials. It only weighs 680 grams, yet supports 770 kilograms. In fact, it's been tested to 5,000 kilograms. Since TuffBlock is a floating foundation system, it's great for a range of surfaces, such as concrete, bitumen, sand, grass, and soil. It was primarily designed for residential low profile or raised decks. It could even be used on uneven surfaces. This product was recently used on a boutique hotel in downtown Austin, Texas in the USA called the Carpenter Hotel. Now with a poolside deck and boardwalk next to heritage trees, the developer didn't want to worry about hitting any of the roots, so the TuffBlock was an excellent choice. Another benefit of TuffBlock is it can be used in conjunction with concrete and steel footings. You can save time by using this as an intermediate support. This hybrid method is great for areas where high wind load ratings are of a concern or you're worried about shifting soil. TuffBlock is available at all good hardware stores Australia-wide. To learn more about TuffBlock and get a step-by-step installation guide, visit us at our website, buildtuff.com.au.